Hello guys, I am Aradhya and today I am playing Sufurs. So let's start. Oh mister, you have catch me. Sorry, you found me, huh? I need the magnets now. Now I am playing so well, so I'm playing this game from my childhood. Wee! Easy peasy. Now my magnet go to the underground. What? Now the train will start? No. Next this train. Where it come from? I don't know where it come from. Rabbit. I don't need the rabbit. I hate rabbits. I found that. La 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 la. So now I will score very well. I'm looking like a little child. How is this guy is running? Very badly he's running, just looking like a baby. He don't know how to run. Dummy. Go down. Wee. Oh, what is there? Wow. Oh, I do a magic now. Things like maybe I need one more bee. Oh, hurt. I will. What will I do with this hurt? Gonna crush on someone? I don't have anything. I'm wasting this. Oh, there. We are. Easy peasy. Lemon squeezy. I got another bee. And I just need I and Chachi to win this letter. Sorry, bhai sahab. Don't need this all. What is there? Office. Yeah. Now I will become rich. Oh no. I don't want to continue this game. I have just 4. Look, 4 keys. What did I score? Oh, this is complete. This is also complete. Hooray! Now home. What is that? Oh, the rockstar band Spike. Who is Spike now? No, advertise. I don't like this. Okay. What? Subway Sufurs Blast. I don't want to play. This is mission. I don't need the mission. I hate missions. Okay, achievements. Collect award. Open. Oh, 3 keys now. I have to collect keys. I don't want to waste them. Elfie. Who are you now? Hey girl. Cupid outfit. Oh my dog. I think Valentine's Day is coming, so that's why. Dragon, who are you? Pink. Her name is Pink and she is pink. Spellcaster outfit. Unlock pink first. No. What is it? Celio. Is it? Is she or he girl? Ramona. She's very stylish, looks like. Mimi have a mouse and she like the mouse. Oh my god, I have Jack. I don't have this one. Bronze. Whoa, what a view. What is his view? I don't need it. Claim. Wow, Greece, love, honesty. Cool. What is here? Wow. Okay, now what I need. These events. What is here? No, I don't need anything. Okay, bye guys. Good night. This is very nighty time. So good night. And Jack is also saying us bye bye. So bye guys.